Today we are going to learn about John Dalton's atomic theory. Let us see the key points of Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory proposed that all matter were composed of atoms, indivisible building blocks. While all atoms of an element were identical, different elements had atoms of different size and mass. Dalton's atomic theory also stated that all compounds were composed of combinations of these atoms in defined ratios. Dalton also postulated that chemical reaction resulted in the rearrangement of reacting atoms. Let us see the terms of Dalton's atomic theory. Atomic mass unit, the standard unit that is used for indicating mass of an atom. Atom, the smallest possible amount of matter that still retains its identity as a chemical element, now known to consist of a nucleus surrounded by electron. Let us see the great history of Dalton's atomic theory. Although the concept of the atom dates back to the ideas of Democritus, the English meteorologist and chemist John Dalton formulated the first modern description of it as the fundamental building block of chemical structures. Dalton developed the law of multiple proportion by studying and expanding upon the works of Antoine Lavoisier and Joseph Proust. Proust had studied the tin oxides and found that their masses were either 88.1% tin and 11.9% oxygen, or 78.7% tin and 21.3% oxygen. Dalton noted from this percentage that 100 gram of tin will combine either with 13.5 gram or 27 gram of oxygen. 13.5 and 27 from a ratio of 1:2. Dalton found an atomic theory of matter could elegantly explain these common patterns in chemistry. In the case of Proust tin oxides, one tin atom will combine with either one or two oxygen atoms. Dalton also believed atomic theory could explain why water absorbed different gases in different proportions. For example, he found that water absorbed carbon dioxide far better than it absorbed nitrogen. Dalton's hypothesized this was due to the difference in the mass and complexity of the gases, respective particles. Indeed, carbon dioxide molecules are heavier and larger than nitrogen molecules. Dalton proposed that each chemical element is composed of atoms of a single unique type, and though they cannot be altered or destroyed by chemical means, they can combine to form more complex structure. Since Dalton reached his conclusion by experimentation and examination of the result in an empirical fashion, this marked the first truth scientific theory of atom. Let us see the great Dalton's atomic theory postulates. Everything is composed of atoms, which are indivisible building blocks of matter and cannot be destroyed. All atoms of an element are identical. The atoms of different elements vary in size and mass. Compounds are produced through different whole numbers combination of atom. A chemical reaction results in the rearrangement of atom in the reactants and product compounds. Atomic theory has been reversed over the years to incorporate the existence of atomic isotopes and the interconvention of mass and energy. In addition, the discovery of subatomic particles has shown that atoms can be divided into smaller parts. However, Dalton's importance in the development of modern atomic theory has been recognized by the designation of atomic mass unit as a Dalton.